Okay, so I kind of don't want to do this video, but I kind of want to do it just to get this a little bit off my chest. As for you people know, my future subscribers, my layout is basically with these. This is the Bachmann Easy Track, as you all should know if you're from the USA. Basically what they do is they help you get started pretty much with this hobby, and they help you get the tracks together to get it perfectly good and everything. But to be honest, are they really worth to put them on a test layouts or not layouts that are not as serious to well, you get the idea. I hope you get the idea. Now, I say this because about Bachmann Easy Track, even though you will get them in train sets or you can buy them separately if you want to, I don't like them. I really do not like them. I'm pretty sure you've heard me said that loads of times. I cannot stress out enough. And the reason why is because they can actually cause problems. Now, what I mean by problems is that if you don't know, or if you probably do notice, there is actually a little bit of a slight dip in between the tracks when you connect them together. Let's see if this one has it. This is these pieces ain't from my layout. These are just spares I got. And let's see if there's... Nope, this one doesn't have a dip. This one's actually pretty good. Hang on a second. Okay, I hope you can see it. This part of the layout actually has a little dip, but it still has good electrical connection. So let's see if I can run a train over it, see if you can get the idea. See that? I hope you can see that dip. I really hope you can. Maybe I have to get the camera further away enough. Let's see. Alright, I got the camera a bit further away. Now, let's back mallet. Oh, no, wrong way. Let's back her up. Now let's see if you can see that dip. I don't know about you. I think I can see it. Probably not from where I'm at. But trust me, the dip is there. Now those dips you see on the Bachmann Easy Track is the really main reason why I do not like it. And the electrical problem I've been having with it happens right over there. It didn't do it earlier when I did the intro of a mallard passing by on a crossing, but when it gets to that rerailer right there, it will either stop or slow down, and it will get behind probably right there, and that's when it speeds back up. I don't know if it'll do it, but let's see. Set the controller to 12 o'clock. It's going pretty quick. Let's see if it'll do it. Can you hear that? I just heard it slow down. Didn't do it. It did do it before. It's not doing it right now. Okay, I'm about to show you a better example of what I'm talking about. And I just heard it slow down. It's gone its first lap. Will it slow down? Aha, there it goes. It just slowed down. And I just cleaned this track last week. Bam. It didn't speed up a bit till about right there. So, I think I found the problem. I'll give you a better angle in a second, but the problem lies in this corner here. And check this out. Let's see if yeah, there it is. You may not see it. Hold on, I'll give you a better angle. Okay, if you can see it, check it out. Look how much this curve is lifted. obviously I do have a lot of curves. I could replace it for rudders, but yeah, this is the main problem that I've been getting with it. And sometimes it will stop at this re-railer right here. Not this one right here, that's just out of shot. It's the one that's going that way. Yeah, that way. So I'm not trying to say don't buy Bachmann Easy Track. If you love it, and go for it. It's your decision. It's not mine. What I'm just saying is it really worth having this stuff on a layout that's not 100% serious, but you don't want to do any scenery yet? You're just getting started, and all that. But I'm just asking you, to you, is it worth it? Because like I said, I don't like it. I really don't like to use it. I really hope I can replace this soon enough. And I just hope that soon enough goes by faster to me. And I just really can't wait to get rid of it. Because the track I use, I try to go with nickel silver. And I started off with something like this. And this is actually steel track. And I don't like steel alloy. It's not good. Even if you have this is actually stuff that is really hard to keep clean. I can barely keep this clean, and it gets dirty really fast. It's just not good, which is why I like to use this. Yes, I do have curves that are this, but the tighter ones I got are much better. The gentler ones are not as good. The rail gets misplaced, train goes over it, derails, and all that. I'm just asking you, is this worth it to you? If you like it, go for it. If you don't, then don't. Well, if you made it to the end, well done. If I come around here and it gets to probably past this relay, or watch. Bam, look. It didn't stop, but it slows down. Just thought I'd show you real quick. Okay guys, see you later.